Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smart bulbs that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the CYNC Smart LED light bulb. It's hard to pick the absolute best smart bulb because they're all quite similar, but the full color direct connect from CYNC was the easiest to set up. It took less than a minute in the CYNC app from start to finish. Controlling the bulb is easy, as the app has a straightforward way to switch colors, activate light shows, and control power. You can also set up scenes and schedules within the app. CYNC's Direct Connect lineup pairs easily with most voice assistants except Siri, and you can control them remotely away from home without the need for a hub. You can also get a 2-pack of bulbs for less than $25. CYNC is formerly C by GE, so you may still find products under the latter name. All of those products, aside from the SAW lamp, will continue to work through the new app and get updates as usual. Moving on at number 4, we have the Wyze Bulb White 800 Lumen. Wyze consistently rivals larger smart home brands with affordable but easy-to-use devices. We love its security cameras and smart plugs, and its bulbs are no different. The price has gone up a few dollars since we first tried it, but it's still one of the cheapest ways to smarten up the lighting in your home if you don't want any colors. The company has since released a color bulb, $23 for 2, that we haven't tried but are confident will work just as well. At number 3, we have the Philips Hue Smart Light Starter Kit. The Philips kit is more expensive than other kits, but it's available at a variety of retailers and is compatible with most assistants. This pack is the cheapest with just 2 bulbs, perfect for starting in a single room, and a Hue Bridge hub that lets you connect the bulbs to your phone or voice assistant. There's also a larger, more expensive kits from Philips Hue that have more bulbs or include a dimmer switch. You can choose many colors and brightness levels, as well as preset scenes to set the mood or create your own scenes. The app includes helpful how-to videos that explain the bulb's extra functions, like using one as a timer. It blinks. The hub lets you connect older Philips bulbs as well as other first or third-party accessories, like the outdoor motion sensor. Wired staff writer Boone Ashworth says he's had issues connecting some of his Philips Hue bulbs, but Nina, did have some delays with getting the hub set up. But after about 10 minutes, everything worked smoothly and quickly. Go with this if you want to use one system for all your smart home devices. At number 2, we have the LIFX Color A19 lumens. LIFX's bulbs have fantastic colors and a great range of effects, and they don't need a hub. They're designed with the Apple home universe in mind. The bulbs work with the likes of Amazon and Apple, but will default to HomeKit onboarding for the first 15 minutes of setup, so it's a little annoying to have to wait if you aren't an Apple home user. LIFX has both a 1100 lumen A19 $33 and a 800 lumen A19 $25, both of which are plenty vibrant in both whites and colors. I'd choose the 1100 lumen model if it's for a statement light that you want to have the absolute brightest colors for, or the only light in a room, and the 800 lumen if it's one of a couple of lights in the room. The 800 lumen is a little cheaper, so you can more easily buy multiple for a single room. The app is easy to navigate, has tons of fun colors and effects, and makes it easy to control lights together with the groups function, and just as easy to control a single light. I wish they were a little cheaper, but it's no surprise that the easiest Apple bulb is a little more expensive. And finally, at number 1, we have the Philips Hue Smart 40 WA19 Filament LED bulb. The Philips Hue soft warm white lights have been in my bedroom for years. These bulbs are beautiful filament bulbs that you'd never guess are smart lights at first glance. I also really like that they work with a Philips Hue Bridge or can work over Bluetooth with the Philips Hue app. Those Bluetooth controls only allow for you to control them when you're in range, rather than with a larger smart home ecosystem. But you can still create and save scenes or have home automations based on time of day. It's all I need for my bedroom lights, and nice to have an option to skip the hub. If you're just looking for pretty bulbs, you can control over an app. But you'll get way more control options if you do use the hub. The soft warm white line has a few other sizes if you wanted an E12 candle bulb, $35, or true Edison style bulb, $60 for two, for your home with the same control options. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.